In this video, I'm going to show you how to pause MailChimp billing quickly and correctly. If you only need a break from your subscription or you want to temporarily stop charges while keeping your account available, this is the easiest way to do it. I'll walk you through each step inside MailChimp so you can find the pause option, review your plan settings, and understand what to expect before you confirm anything. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once you're on the MailChimp website, sign in using your account credentials. Make sure you log into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one MailChimp login for different businesses or clients. After you sign in, you'll land inside your MailChimp dashboard. Now, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where MailChimp keeps your account level settings. From the drop-down menu, choose Account and Billing. This section is where you can manage billing details, subscription settings, and plan changes. If you're trying to pause billing, this is the place you need to be. Once you're on the account and billing page, find the Settings tab and click it. Inside the Settings area, select Manage My Plan. This page shows your current subscription, your plan details, and the available options for changing your billing setup. Take a moment to review what plan you're currently on so you know exactly what will happen when you make changes. Next, scroll down carefully until you locate the Pause My Plan option. Depending on your current plan, this option may be available or may appear only under certain conditions. If you see it, click Pause My Plan to begin the pause process. MailChimp may ask you to confirm your choice or review important details about what pausing means for your account, so read those prompts carefully before moving forward. This is an important step because pausing your plan can affect access to features, automations, and campaign sending. So before you confirm, make sure you understand whether you're pausing billing temporarily or changing to a different plan. If you're not seeing the option, it may mean that your plan doesn't support pausing, or you may need to contact MailChimp support for more help. After you complete the steps, your billing pause will be processed according to MailChimp's available options for your account. To be safe, double-check your billing status afterwards so you know the pause was applied correctly. That way, you can avoid surprise charges and keep full control over your subscription. And that's it. You now know how to pause MailChimp billing using the account and billing settings. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.